gonna wait for the GoPro to start. We're gonna wait for the GoPro to start. Alright, GoPro started. 3, 2, 1. Action. We were talking about mirrors in my last video, although I don't think I've uploaded it yet. And this is an example of what I'm saying. You can pop the mirror off, put the camera there, and then ride. And you'll say, well, what good is really that going to do? Well, I decided that, I don't know what I decided. I'm moving this mirror down here for now, because I think I like it out there better. It's a nice way to capture some background. You know, so that, you know, nobody wants to look at pictures of me, but maybe I want pictures of me for my wife, for my kid, for my memories. I just get the feeling that I won't be doing this forever, and I want to be able to look back and be happy. So let's try this angle out. Beep, beep, beep. Now, this would be great if you're skinny, because when you're skinny, you don't have all this going on. So I try to avoid profile shots because I'm a big fat ass, as you might have noticed. But for a skinny guy, somebody's good looking, this is actually not a bad view. I don't know if you can see my hand. So I'm doing these gestures because it's really a test to see what it looks like. I'm pretty sure I'm in it, but it probably cuts me off at like the elbow when I put my hand out like that. See, everything's nice and green. It was a good year to be in California if you like rain. But I like rain, so it was okay. So I guess this is a good test. I'll do a few more clips. I doubt this mic is picking me up, but I know this mic is. This mic's probably just clicking away. That's what it does when it overmodulates. It just makes like a click, 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 like a loose connection sound. Maybe this helps, I don't know. But I do like this setup a lot. There was a guy who made like a, well, I don't know what, I don't want to, you know, I'm sure, you know, you can almost say it was his idea. And some might say it was his idea, where he made a little container bottom that you would bolt onto like an aluminum housing to keep the GoPro audio adapter in. And then a bunch of Chinese companies released this housing for the GoPro 7 that has that area built in, and they sell it for like $15 on Amazon. And I'll have to say that I am thrilled with it. Thrilled. It has everything that you wanted. It's lightweight. I mean, the whole housing, camera, and everything weigh less than my aluminum housing. The little ETM001 mic works fantastic on it. In most situations, I'm sure it's not in this, but this is an extreme situation. I won't lie. I like it. I like it a lot. But whatever. It's basically what I use pretty consistently now to film my stuff. That and the Insta360 but this is just easy enough to take off and just shove right in my coat pocket. Pull it out, take a picture, put it back in. I like it. I do like it.